Hi everybody, Josiah here, also known as Chilling Silence, and we've got some really cool news coming up today. DigiByte is going to be launched on DigiFinex. Really awesome to see. Thank you to the DigiFinex team for adding DigiByte. This is absolutely fantastic. Really appreciate you doing that. Now, to begin with, what they're going to do is allow the deposits that's happening later on today. So if you do happen to want to sell a little bit of DigiByte, you can do so through the website. Now, later on, then tomorrow, they will allow for the actual trading. So first up, you'll be able to deposit it, withdraw it, whatever you want, then do the trading. That'll open up later on tomorrow. Now, to begin with, this is a DGB and USDT pair. So again, thank you to the DigiFinex team for adding DigiByte. Great to see. One of the things that Rudy actually did was he put together a bit of a summary of so for me, we're on the 21st here. I'm potentially coming to you from the future for all of my American friends, but this is what has happened for DigiByte so far in the month of November. Heaps of stuff. It's great to see. Really encouraging to see all of this happening. Actually, one of the other things I did have open was the tab here for DigiFinex. Really nice website. Love the dark theme. Looks beautiful. Can't wait to see. I've actually got BTC chosen here, but eventually what we'll be able to see is the USDT peering there for DigiByte. Really looking forward to that again, thanks to DigiFinex. Now, what we've got here is an update for the Android application, so a couple of nice little fixes here. The block height display issues, which was appearing at the top sometimes, has been sorted. Asset divisibility was affecting a couple of people, but more specifically, we've also got video buffering has been further improved. So, again, huge thank you to Noah, really appreciate all your work. Now, for the people who are asking, yes, it is still being worked on for iOS. Like I mentioned, though, we are going for a fully native SPV implementation, which means that it will only rely on the core wallets for this synchronization, so it is taking a bit longer. Also, the DigiByte Go wallet at the moment is still having a little bit of issues. This is stemming from Digi Explorer. We're hoping to have this sorted really soon, especially given I know that there are a bunch of other exchanges, and I've got a wallet lined up as well that is looking to add DigiByte. So stay tuned for a whole lot more great news coming out real soon. That's going to be all from me for today. If you've enjoyed this, hit the thumbs up, give it a like, share, subscribe. You can reach me in the comment section below. Otherwise, I'm on Twitter at DGB_chilling, and I'll talk to you in the next video. See you tomorrow. Cheers.